Hey guys, I'm here with my sister and I'm here with my sister, Shanisa, and before we get into this video, please subscribe at the button down below just because we're scared of what's gonna happen. We are going to play the random color challenge, basically, and I got lists that we will pick on my phone and I'm scared and it's crazy stuff. We put a little bit of our favorites in there just so we can get excited if we land on it, but it's like a 1 in a 10 chance we will land on it. So yeah, I'll put her Instagram down below and my social media is always down below and in my intro of my videos, so make sure you follow me on there. But yeah, this might be a long video, so let's just get into this. So I've downloaded this app. It's called Tiny Decisions, and you make your own decisions and it picks it. So for brows, it looks like this, and we're each gonna spin it. It's gonna look like this, and we're each gonna spin it. So I put some brow products on there, so I'm gonna let Shanisa go first. Oh, you would? Okay, girl, spin it. Okay, guys. So she got the Winky Lux pencil. So in the third brow drawer, it's a golden pencil.
What color is it?
It's like a universal color. It's not a bad color. It's a golden pencil. It's like a shiny gold pencil.
Oh, there it is.
And then while you're in there, hold on. While you're in there, go ahead and grab me a CoverGirl pencil. Not a pomade. So she's using, show them that, your pencil.
I'm using the Winky.
It's not gonna focus on it, just back here like this.
I'm using the Winky. The Winky Lux Unibrow.
Oh, yeah. This calls Unibrow, isn't it?
Yep.
That's cute. I'm using the CoverGirl Unifying Brow Pencil, and this is the shade Rich Brown.
I don't know this for because I'm blind. Girl, I hate that side. It makes my eyes weird.
So I'm gonna let us do our brows off camera because it takes us a while, okay? Be right back with brows. My brows came out fire. Next is lid primer. Here you go. These are pretty colors.
Why is she making me go first?
Because you're my guest. God. Hey, you like that one?
Which one is it?
Urban Decay Eden. So your Urban Decay Eden Primer Potion.
Oh, it's called Eden?
Yeah. And then
I didn't know that.
I got grab me the Urban Decay regular. By the way, while she's taking her time, I've really been addicted to the Red Bull Coconut Edition. This one's coconut berry and it tastes like Sonic ocean water.
Sorry. Man, I'm mad.
I'm mad. I gotta use a clear one.
My brows look terrible and I look like a raccoon.
You're gonna be covering it up.
I look retarded.
No, you don't.
Okay, so next is
eyeshadow palettes. Nerve-wracking part because I really don't want subculture.
I look retarded, guys, don't I? Say yes.
So palette. Look how many palettes they put in there.
Yes. All right, Jesus.
Your turn.
Bless me with a good one.
Aren't you like having like a mini heart attack?
Again? Are you?
Okay, you can. Okay, she already had to use this palette. She already had to use this palette once. You can go again, girl. She had to use it in our last video. So, let me see. Okay, she got the Bad Habit Athena palette.
I was gonna cry. You know I was about to cry.
I put it up here in the eye of our last video where she had to use the Atlantis palette.
I love the
So I'm so like.
She said no problem.
No problem, sir. I think this is the one I used today in my tutorial. I'll be right back until we're gonna put in the shades of our we're gonna put in the shades of our palettes. And we'll be right back. So spin for your crease color. Clever.
Clever. Which one is that?
This right here is our crease color.
Which one did you get?
Strike a pose. That one.
That one. Okay, guys. Let's get to work. Dang, I only tapped this twice and like.
Yeah, I told you it's pigmented. That looks weird with no pigmented base on the other, on the, you know what I mean. I hate that I don't know what is coming next. I I can't do this eye on camera at all. I'm literally not even looking in a mirror. I'm just blending. What? It's like a no mirror makeup challenge. I did pretty good for not looking. Look at my looking and look at my not looking. Let's do the not looking over on this side. Y'all should watch the show You on Netflix.
That's what distracted us for a long
Because
time.
we would have been filmed this video before 10 o'clock, but we was into it. While she's finishing her crease, since my palette's already pulled up, I'm going to do my lid color. Blend the rolls. So that this color.
That's not so bad.
That's not bad at all.
Gleam. That's not bad. That's not bad at all.
Oh, that's a really pretty color.
God,
Swatch it for
that
him.
one.
Swatch it for him, girl. Swatch it.
Alright, here we go, guys.
Like, oh, it's duochrome, my favorite. This is the second time I'm doing my makeup today. These Morphe shadows are like not pigmented. The shimmers are not pigmented. I'm just being honest. This is like an orange smoky eye. So you got fierce to put in your outer. What's fierce?
Wait, which one is fierce?
What? You gotta put it in your outer V. That's not a freaking do it. You gotta do it, because I'm gonna do whatever it tells me to.
Watch it be a freaking mat.
You're gonna be pissed.
You see my leg, right?
Oh god. No filter needed. I put that as no. It's doing all like shades are already dead. After.
Good. Good. Okay.
Okay, so she got this color, so she can't do it. I'll show y'all. She got this color to put in her outer V, and I got this green.
Somebody gotta get beat because I'm mad.
I would never do this. Oh, that actually doesn't look too bad.
What the actual heck is that? There's no difference.
My cut creases be looking a mess before I apply lashes. Inner corner. So I'll go first since mine's already pulled up. Throwback. What is the...
I'm like a mat.
Micaylah, that's... Ew! I gotta put this in my inner corner.
I feel bad for you.
Let's see what you gotta put in your inner corner. Wisdom.
Wisdom. Okay, that's
What is
not bad.
wisdom?
The purple one.
It's so dark.
I'm gonna have to sue this company.
Okay, I'm scared.
What the actual?
Pink matte brown in my inner corner. I look sick. Sorry, y'all. I had to go pee.
We had some problems. We
We had to recover. We're doing liquid liner.
Lucky.
Can you give me that? I got my favorite liquid liner. You know, Eric used to be like,
You look sick.
shout out to Eric, though.
Butter London. Which one is that, Micaylah?
Look for Butter London and then open it and tell me what you think. I'm gonna add some more green.
What is this?
It's one of those wheel ones, you guys. Concentrating, boy.
Now tell me. How am I supposed to fill this in? It hurts.
Don't push so hard.
Yo, I'm gonna beat Micaylah because she shouldn't have put this in here. It hurts.
No, it don't.
Look at how long my liner is. I should knock you. I really should. This hurts. It ain't even got nothing on it.
You have to keep dipping. I used it. It was fine.
You know what? I'm not even going the whole way. I am not.
No, it's really hard to connect it to your I seen that one in the monitor, boy. You flicked it. So, boom.
Look at this mess on the monitor. Look at it.
Since she is trying to fix her face, we're gonna go on to mascara. I got the Pixie Lash Mascara.
Buxom Lash. What is this?
It's really
Something
good.
that's gonna make me look ugly?
No,
Okay.
it's really good, to be honest. Give me the Pixie one, and then the Buxom Lash one just says Buxom on the front and doesn't say anything else.
That was primer.
You get your favorite primer, the K1 Rose one. Get the Cargo one. It's the orange one. You got the new look. Yours is right there.
Guys, this is brand new.
It's a brand new foundation. It's the Infallible Fresh Foundation. What is it called? Fresh Wear Foundation. And she's in the shade 535. Well, I did get the right color, didn't I? It might oxidize. On the monitor, it doesn't look bad, but look in person. It's turning orange. Okay, next is concealer.
Concealed on feel.
It's just the stick that I heard you pull out. So she's using CoverGirl True Blend Concealer. And I am using Art Shape Tape Concealer. You let me clean this up, so we set our face and everything like that. So now we're gonna continue with our lash lines. Okay, we got Work It. What is Work It?
That grayish.
I gotta put this on my lower lash line. Green.
What did I tell you?
Lower.
The orange. What did I tell you?
While she is continuing that, I will do bronzer. Go ahead and get it, girl. We both got this to contour with.
Put it on, girl.
One. Then one. Then one. Oh my gosh. We're gonna blend this out.
This actually doesn't look that bad. Let me see. Let me see.
Hold on.
Okay, hold on.
I gotta hurry up because this foundation is like...
Contour doesn't really work on my face, but it's okay.
Blush. So I got Milani Berry, which is not gonna go with this eye look at all. Ooh, number 3. It's an palette.
Oh god.
I gotta use this color, you guys. It's, I must say, really pretty. But look, it doesn't go with this eye look at all. It goes with yours. And then tap off the excess. More. More. See how you looked at me though? I need a brush. There we go. I'm gonna use this Profusion brush. And then I didn't even know I had this brush.
I used to do a lot when I first started makeup. I used to just look like a clown.
And then you pat it out. Pat it out. Pat it out. Okay, so just to recap in case it shut off whenever we were not. We did our lips and she got, well, I'll go first. I got this Buxom Heat Wave Shiny Liquid Lipstick. It's really bright orange. And she got pigmented white lip gloss. Let's go ahead and get it over with, girl. Don't look at her, don't look at her, don't look at her. I can't look at her, guys. I'm not looking at her.
Look.
No, hold on.
Look.
I need to finish. This burns. I can't. Don't look. I see my perfume, man.
You gonna laugh.
You doing? I don't know if I want to look at you, man. Look. Look. You didn't even put it on all the way. It doesn't look as bad as the first time. This is like the third time she's at.
Yours is on your teeth.
It's everywhere, girl. Look.
You know what? I'm gonna make it even better.
Why? How? Is that tingly? Your phone mad too.
Big mad.
But these are the finished looks. I plan on doing these a lot more with myself. It's gonna be okay. It's going to be okay. Bye, guys.